In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an indicator in MT5. Indicators are powerful tools that help you analyze price movements and identify trading opportunities. They are essential in making informed decisions in the trading world. MT5 or MetaTrader 5 includes a variety of built-in indicators such as moving average, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, stochastic, and many more. Let's dive into how to add these indicators on your MT5 desktop, whether you are using Windows or a Mac. We'll start with method 1, which involves using the Navigator window. Open your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you have MT5 open, the next step is to access the Navigator. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and N on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can click on the View menu at the top of your screen and select Navigator. This step is crucial as it opens up a window that allows you to manage various components of your trading platform, including indicators. From there, expand the Indicators section. You'll see several categories appear, such as Trend, Oscillators, Volumes, and Bill Williams. This categorization helps you find the specific type of indicator you need more easily. It's a time saver when you are working with many different indicators. Next, browse through these categories to find the indicator you wish to add to your chart. You can either drag the indicator directly onto the chart or simply double-click on the indicator name. This makes adding indicators quick and efficient, giving you more time to focus on analysis. After you've selected your indicator, a new window will pop up for you to adjust the settings. Here, you can modify parameters such as the period, colors, and levels. It's important to tailor these settings to your specific trading strategy. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click OK. You'll immediately see the indicator appear on your chart, providing you with the data you need. Now, let's move on to method 2, which involves using the menu. If you prefer this approach, start by opening a chart on your MT5 platform. After that, click on the Insert menu located at the top of your screen. From this drop-down, select Indicators. This approach is straightforward and gives you a direct path to adding indicators to your chart. Once you've clicked on Indicators, choose the category that suits your needs. Then select your desired indicator from the list. Just like before, you'll need to configure the settings to match your trading preferences. This customization is key to ensuring the indicator provides the most relevant information for your strategy. Finally, click OK. MT5 will seamlessly add the indicator to your active chart, ready for you to analyze. Before we wrap up, let's touch on custom indicators. MT5 on desktop does support custom indicators, which are in the form of MQ5 or .ex5 files. However, if you're using MT5 on mobile, whether on an iPhone or Android, you're generally limited to built-in indicators. The mobile platform does not support installing custom indicators directly. This is a common limitation discussed in community forums, so it's good to be aware of. And there you have it. You've learned how to add indicators in MetaTrader 5 using 2 different methods. These steps will enhance your trading experience by equipping you with tools to better analyze market data. Thank you for watching and happy trading.